Good morning. Today we say about new topic of our math part second, similarity. Subtopic is properties of area of two triangles. Now, say, suppose this one is triangle ABC. Suppose base is BC, then what is height? Which is the height? Height is, we know that, perpendicular drawn from opposite side. That is perpendicular drawn from vertex to base. We can draw here three heights. From vertex B, from vertex C. Now, I got here pair. AM is height, BC is base. Suppose dimension of base BC is B1 and height is H1. Now suppose another triangle PQR. This triangle PQR. Now when QR is base, then which is the height? Height is perpendicular drawn from vertex to base. That's why this perpendicular on ray RQ. That is, this one is the height H2. Suppose PN is the height of second triangle PQR. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. That is equal to half into B1 into H1, and area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. That is half into B2 into H2. That is area of triangle PQR. Now suppose this is equation number 1 and another area of triangle PQR, equation number 2. Taking ratio of equation 1 and 2, that is, if we divide equation 1 by equation 2, we got here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is the left side of both equation, which is the right side, half into B1 into H1 into half into B2 into H2. That is, half get cancelled. We got ratio B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. We got a property, first property number 1. From this statement, mathematical statement, we got a relation that the ratio of areas of any two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of base and the corresponding height of two triangles. That is the ratio of area of any two triangle. This is properties for any two triangle. There is no condition. Any two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their base and the corresponding height. Product of base and their corresponding height. Their corresponding heights. That is, we got first properties of area of two triangle. That is, the ratio of areas of any two triangle is equal to product of their base B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Okay, we got first property. Second property number 2. See here, this triangle is ABC and another triangle is ABD. Now this ABC having the height BM and ADC having the height AM. Now what is the ratio of areas of these two triangles? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC is equal to half into base into height of triangle ABC upon half into base into height of triangle ADC. That is half into base of ABC is BC because perpendicular drawn on BC, and height is AM. Okay, BM. That is, suppose let height is H1. Now area of triangle ADC, base is again BC same, and now height is DN, suppose H2. Now BC get cancelled, half get cancelled, BM upon DN, that is H1 upon H2. We got second relation, second property, that the ratio of areas of two triangles having common or equal base is equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights. And now the third, suppose these two lines are parallel and in between them suppose two triangles are there, triangle ABC and triangle CDE. Height of triangle ADC is BD, BM, and height of triangle CDE is suppose DN. Now height is equal because they are situated in two parallel lines, like a room of home. Height is equal because distance between slab and floor is same. That is, height is equal. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle CDE equals to half into base into height, half into base B1, B2. This is B1, suppose. This height C is B2. Half into height is, base is AC, height is BM, base is CE, height is DN. That is half into AC, height equal H, base is B1. For second triangle, base is B2, height is again same H. H get cancelled, half get cancelled. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. We got the property 3. Okay. The ratio of any two triangle having same height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. So, we study here the three properties of areas of any two triangle. First property is, if B1 and B2 share, first property, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. The ratio of areas of any two triangle is equal to the product of their corresponding base and corresponding heights. Second, if base is equal, B1 equals to B2, then area of two triangle A1 upon equals to A2 equals to H1 upon H2. Third property, if H1 equals to H2, then area of two triangle A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Okay. Now, share some example. Let base of first triangle is 9 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter, base of second triangle is 3 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. Find the ratio. Find A1 upon A2. Triangle of area of triangle first upon area of triangle second is equal to question mark. You know by first property A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. B1 is base is 9, height is 10, base is 3, height is 5, 3 ones are 3s are 5 ones are 5 2s are. Ratio is 6:1. We got ratio is 6:1. ओके, तो ठीक आहे, आज एवढंच घेऊया आपण.